Hi guys, I am going to be visiting my local Kirkland store and I'm going to take a quick walk through to see what they have for the fall 2021 season. Let's go.
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world far from the other. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you,
So I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough as I took you along with me as I toured my local Kirkland store. I went in there just to see what their fall decor looked like, and also to give me some ideas as I am planning out how to decorate my home for the fall season. I have chosen my color palette, so now I am trying to see how I can fit my ideas and spread it out throughout my home. And so if you followed through with me and watched the entire tour, you notice that most of Kirkland's floral arrangement, they range from $35 up to $80 depending on their size. And the floral arrangements that I'm referring to are the ones that, you know, had the pumpkins and florals together in various containers. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my inspiration from some of the floral arrangements that I saw in Kirkland, and I'm going to create my own DIY, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So as you can see in the background, these are just some of the items that I have, and so let's get started. So this is the basket that I'm going to be using as the foundation for this floral arrangement. Very simple piece that I thrifted maybe a couple years ago, and so now I'm going to put it to good use. Now these are some of the florals that I'm going to be using, and all of these came from the Dollar Tree. This is the eucalyptus that I'm going to be using. I have it in a green and yellow, and then I have it more in the tans and more darker shades. I'm also going to be using this foxtail, and I'm just showing you the tag, so if you want to go check out your Dollar Tree, you may purchase if you like. And I'm also going to be using this willow here. I think this is a beautiful piece. And I also pulled one of my picks that I used last year, and this was purchased from Walmart. I think this is a beautiful piece. And of course, I have my Faithful Lamb ears that I also purchased from Walmart as well. And I also have an assortment of pumpkins. So let's begin this process. I went off camera and I added the foam to this basket. And all I did was took some packaging foam, cut it out to the size of this basket, and stuffed it inside. So now I am going to start adding my greenery. So now I am showing you that I went ahead and added in all my greenery to this basket. And I've added in all the greenery. And I added in this additional boxwood right here that I didn't show you prior. And I'm just letting you see how it looks. Now this is going to be the back side here. And this is going to be the front side. So now I am going to continue to layer this arrangement. But doesn't that look great against this strong black? All the pops of greens and the variations of the yellow titrating to the green. And that's how in nature, how things start to change for the fall. So let's continue. So now I'm just showing you the pumpkins that I'm going to use, similar to my inspiration piece. And in that floral range, they use only white pumpkins, so that's what I'm going to use. The only thing is I don't have a lot of those white pick berries that was in that inspiration piece, so I'm probably going to add these little miniature mums here. And so I'm just going to go ahead and add those now. Stay tuned. So now we have added the pumpkins in, and so I'm going to add those little miniature mums, and I am going to give you a final reveal. I want to thank you all for tuning into my channel today. And if you made it to the very end of this video, you are fabulous. And I love your support. And if you're stopping into my channel for the very first time, would you be so kind and give this video a big thumbs up by hitting that like button? And won't you consider joining my Felicia by the Seasons growing family? I would love to have you here. And by hitting that subscribe button. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye-bye.